right, guys, coming up next, we got Lucy versus Emerson. It's gonna be a good race. We'll see who wins. Yeah, Lucy got that. Lucy takes the win in 6 and under.
As they come down. And they're coming. And Lucy wins!
Oh, and it's off. Yep.
Gibson had a way.
I know, Gibson's start was really good. Yeah, he took the win for sure. All right, Gibson's going on to the finals.
This is Gibson versus Maddie. And they go. Gibson is coming in fast. Oh, well.
Not get her $5. Hey, we have a turn and Liam is in the lead.
Dude, I thought this was... Oh! Oh, I thought Cole was catching up. Liam takes the
Colton? Wait, Gibson and Liam. It's gotta be me and Liam.
Here we go.
I mean, me and Gibson. This is a close race. Liam has won.
Bro, it's a good race, Jameson. Don't get in the way.
Gibson going.
We got next race coming up. This is finals. We have Griffin v. Gibson. Sorry, in the race of Griffin v. Gibson, I didn't realize they were going, but I did catch the end. So,
They're going. In the rain.
Be careful.
while the rain's happening, I'm going to go check on some racers, and we're going to see how they feel about getting... Lucy, how do you feel about that win in 6 and under?
Good.
Do you feel like you went the fastest you could have gone?
Actually, no. I bet I could go faster just I was like in this.
Was it your start? Do you think it was your start?
Interview me.
Yeah, all right.
Oh,
Well, yeah, okay. Well, we didn't expect it to turn out like this. It's raining.
Is it raining still?
Well, he beat me, but
I think that was a really good race. You think that too?
yeah.
That was a good race.
Also, guys, my
I'm
friend
going by
Titan wanted me to say R.I.P. Titan. He couldn't make it.
Yeah, R.I.P. Titan, bro.
Yeah.
R.I.P. Titan. And all the other people.
All the other people
that
like
make it, like Christopher,
Like Chris.
Ray's friend, and all that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. R.I.P. Titan. And
now
and his tubby cat.
I'm going to the finals versus either Ray or Leo. Are we ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, they're off. Who's gonna take it?
You know what?
Yo, who's gonna take it? Okay, Leo, Cannon, what do you think happened here?
Like midway through the race, I started hearing dinging on Leo's bike, and then I felt like rocks hitting my shins.
Yeah, and then rocks
Like I started slowing down.
Rocks went in my mouth, and I was like, Yo, Ray.
Bro, Teach a pebble that went to Leo's mouth.
I don't think that's a pebble.
3, 2, 1, go!
Leo, stay in your lane. Leo, stay in your lane.
He's fine. All right, guys. Cannon took the win of the third neighborhood drag race.
The little duck is coming along with to celebrate me.
Yay!
The little duck is coming along.
Yay!
Little man.
The duck is coming to celebrate.
He's coming to celebrate. He's coming to celebrate
Oh.
the win of.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you liked the third neighborhood drag race. And each
That's the
time,
second.
no, that was third. I won first. Leo won second. Everyone has won. There's always been a different winner, but sadly Ray hasn't gotten one yet. But all right, we will see you in our next video.
Yay.